Check it out. Adding some sound effects. These sound effects right here. I added. So take a listen. Look at that blue one right there. Now I'm going to play it again, and I'm going to mute each effect that I put in. Put that in, and I put this in, nice and long. Then let me go back to this one. That one, boom, boom, and then this one. No, not bad. Then go back. Then that one. Yeah. So let me play one more time. Last one. Now what I can also do with the effects is pan pot them from ear to ear to give it that little more flavor to it. All right? Peace.